First question, a super heterodyne radio receiver with an intermediate frequency of 455 kHz is tuned to a station operating at 1200 kHz. The associated image frequency is so determine LO frequency first, that is local oscillator frequency. So LO, that is equal to radio tuning frequency plus intermediate frequency. So here the tuning frequency is 1200 and intermediate frequency is 455. So the answer here is 1655 kilohertz. And after that we have to find the image frequency, that is F1, that is equal to this FLO plus intermediate frequency. So here FLO value is 1655 and intermediate frequency is 455. So adding this we will get 2110 kilohertz. So here no, answer is 2010. Actually this is 2110 kilohertz. So B is the answer. Actual answer is 2110 kilohertz. Next question, the combination of mixer and local oscillator provides heterodyne function. C is the answer. The combination of mixer and local oscillator, so that is mixer and local oscillator, okay, that providing heterodyne function. So here answer is C. Third question, a super heterodyne receiver is designed to receive signals with carrier frequencies between 4 and 6 MHz with transmitted bandwidth of 100 kHz each. Its frequency is 850 kHz. What range of local oscillator frequencies is required using high side injection, that is local oscillator frequency greater than carrier frequency? So for that, here this is high side injection, so local oscillator frequency, that is equal to radio frequency plus intermediate frequency. Here the intermediate frequency is 850 kHz and RF is 4, so 4 in megahertz. So converting this 850 kHz to megahertz, we will get 0.850. So adding this we will get 4.850. Similarly, FL of this for 6 megahertz we will get 6 plus 0.85. So adding this we will get 6.85 and both are in megahertz range. So here the answer is B. Fourth question, if intermediate frequency, that is equal to 20 MHz, we can tune to the station at 95 MHz by setting FLO. That is FLO, this is a station at receiver side. So FLO, that is equal to this RF frequency minus intermediate frequency. RF frequency is 95 and IF frequency is 20. So we will get 75 MHz as the answer. So here the answer is C. Fifth question, a radio engineer is designing an FM radio and has selected an IF frequency of 30 MHz. Since the FM band extends from 88 MHz to 108 MHz, if the radio engineer choose low side tuning, the FLO ranging between, and this is low side tuning, so the FLO range is this 88 minus intermediate frequency, and here that is equal to 30, intermediate frequency, that is equal to 30 here, and also the upper value minus this 30. So we will get this one is 58 MHz FLO and this one is 78 MHz. So the range is 58 MHz and 78 MHz upper range because of we choose low side tuning. So here the answer is A. Final question, the low side tuned local oscillator ranging from 58 MHz to 78 MHz has the bandwidth of del FLO, that is equal to 20 MHz. Find its percentage of bandwidth. So the formula for finding percentage of bandwidth, that is equal to del FLO and FLO, that is local oscillator center frequency. So first we have to find FLO center frequency. that is nothing but this range 58 to 78. So 58 plus 78 divided by 2. So we will get 68 megahertz. And we know that del of FLO, that is 20 megahertz. So the percentage of bandwidth, that is equal to 20 divided by 68. So we will get 0.249, and in percentage that is equal to 29.4 percentage. So here the answer is B.